Chapter 2 The Cathedral of Failure. That evening, as the fog transformed his third floor perch into an island floating in nothingness, Rajesh arranged his rejected manuscripts in a semicircle around his wooden desk. Each pile represented a different dream murdered by editorial indifference. Poetry collections that had never seen sunrise, short stories that would never warm another soul, a novella that had taken 2 years to write and 30 seconds to reject. The kerosene lamp flickered, casting dancing shadows across the pages that contained pieces of his heart, fragments of his sleepless nights, whispers of his deepest fears and most tender hopes. He had written about the street children outside his window, about the old woman who sold flowers near the metro station, about the loneliness that ate through urban hearts like acid. But the literary magazines wanted different stories, polished tales that fit their predetermined molds. He opened his journal and began writing about what he knew would be his final entry. A writer dies twice. First, when he stops believing in his words, and second, when his heart stops beating. I have already died the first death. Tomorrow I will complete the second. The fog pressed against his window with increasing intensity, as if the entire city were being smothered. He could barely see the building across the street, just the faint glow of windows floating like amber jewels in the grey void. Delhi had become a ghost city, and he was about to become its newest spectre. As midnight approached, he performed a ritual he had never attempted before. He took each rejection letter and held it over the kerosene flame, watching the words "unfortunately" and "we regret" curled into ash. 23 years of dreams transformed into a smoke that joined the fog outside his window. The acrid smell filled his nostrils, the cremation of hope itself.